Alright guys, how you doing? Austen, Thomson here. This video I am going to be showing you a new product from Schwarzkopf called Blondme Blush Wash Silver. Schwarzkopf, I've got this new range called Blush Wash, alright, and it's a shampoo. This one is silver. You guys are going to freak out the first time you use this because during the application process the hair will go green. The product itself is a green colour and the hair will go like a olive, khaki, rank colour, right? But just have confidence that the product is going to do what it's meant to do. On the right base, which is quite light, here we are super mega blonde. I've worked it on the root first because it was a slightly warmer blonde, and then really spending the time massaging it through the ends, working into the hair. I left this on for about 20 minutes and then I rinsed it off, did a wee treatment, got it blow dried, and I thought it was looking pretty good. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.